Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm making this video because I went and looked at my Zippo and it's out of fluid. Now, I've spent a lot of time trying to fill this thing up because it can be a pain in the ass and you can leak fluid everywhere and it just sucks. So, I'm basically going to show you the best way to fill up your Zippo. Now, first thing you got to do is pull out this. It's easy to do, you won't break it. Next thing, if you look right here, pull up this side. And it should look like that. Now, this fluid is super cheap and it works the best, like $2.50 for this giant thing. So I definitely recommend just buying this. It'll last forever and no problems. Now, this can be a pain in the ass to open. So what I found is just take the empty shell, put it in front of this, and pull up. You just pry it open like that. Fluid's open. Now comes the hard part. Now, this isn't that big of a thing, so it's really easy to overflow, and basically it'll all leak out the bottom and get all over your hands, get everywhere. It's a big mess. So, basically, open that flap, pour it in here, squeeze 3 seconds, look inside. If it looks wet, wait a couple seconds, let it absorb, and then do it again. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of hard to see, I know, I'm sorry. Don't have a good webcam. 1, 2, 3. Still going. 1, 2, 3. Also, another thing, I do not advise doing this over your computer whatsoever. I mean, like I have paper towels laid down and stuff, but just do it over a table or something easy. 1, 2, 3. Now this can take a little bit, but it won't leak. Can't really see down there, but it looks somewhat moist, but not too moist. You don't want it to be like overflowing, like filled with fluid, because that just leads to a mess. So I usually do it for 3 seconds, roughly like 7 or 8 times, because I never really know like if fluid's still in there, it's just not getting to the wick or what. So okay, so that should be good. So now all you gotta do, pack the cotton back on top. Take the shell, open it, stick it in just the way you pulled it out. Now, fuego. Alright, thanks for watching. Be safe, don't light your house on fire.